Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button in AppSheet. Now first off, before you can add a button, you need to have an app first. Let's create one so we can start. Just press create and go to app, and you can either start with existing data, start with a template, or just a blank app. Let's go with a blank app first so we don't confuse ourselves. Just say app new app 2 and just add anything you really want here. For this one, I'm just going to use sales and CRM. Give it a good second, and it'll immediately send you over to the new app. Now press here into the data. And here, you can find all of the data of the table. If you see this button here, open the right panel, it will show you the app that you have. You can either watch it on mobile, tablet, or desktop. But for now, we're going to go with making the button. Let's go with actions here. And then, click onto Add Action. And then let's just add a new button that says New Edit. Create a new action for Table 1. Make sure to click on New Action right here. And then you can choose anything on here. Or you can add a new action name. Now let's do with New Edit Action Button. And in here for the display, you can choose any button that you'd like. Either a star, or this one, or even a heart. And you can see here that the button is already being customized. Now choose any that you want. Let's say for this one, I'm going to go for a star. Now you can choose either primary, so you can put the button here, prominent, up here, and inline or hide. For this one, let's just go with primary. Let's go press save. And then it'll sync the app. And now you have a new button. And that's how to add a button in AppSheet.